Funky Monkey. I'm the singing chef, and today in Funky Monkey, I'll be teaching you how to make a ghee cookie with you all. The ingredients we'll be needing are 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, 3/4 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup of flour, and then last of all, we have a little bit of sprinkles. The sprinkles are just for designs, you don't really need it. So what I actually said is we'll have 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, and then we will have 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and then 1 cup of flour. I'm using wheat flour, and then some sprinkles for decoration. You can choose any sprinkles, or you can just use food coloring, or you don't even need decoration. So now let's get on with the first step. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm gonna put my sugar and flour into this bowl. Then I'm gonna add my ghee to it and mix it all together. So right now I'm just gonna add my sugar, my powdered sugar, and then my flour. And now, last of all, I'm just gonna add my ghee. And then mix it all together. Don't forget to leave a little bit of ghee still inside here. We'll use it later. So right now I'm just gonna mix it, and I left a little bit of ghee still in the cup it was in. I added the rest of my ghee inside my mixture. I'm gonna mix it all together nice and smoothly. Now I'm gonna roll up my sleeves and use my hands and mix it together. So right now I just mixed some of it together using my little spatula mixing thingy, and I rolled up my sleeves because I'm gonna use my hands to mix it better. So I'm just gonna take it off the spatula. Now using my hands, I'm just gonna mix it all together. So now the dough is all ready. And while you were mixing it, you might have felt like it was still flour and you needed more ghee. But you would have been wrong, because when it's all done, and you need a warm hand to make this. So when you're mixing with a warm hand, it melts the sugar, which makes it easier to mix together and make a nice dough consistency. And that's how it got into a nice dough. So make sure not to add more ghee, because then it'll be a little too much watery or something. I've taken a pan and sprayed some butter on it. So now I'm going to take some of my dough and make little balls out of it. So I sprayed this pan right here with some butter, and then I took some dough from my dough and just making little balls and putting it on the pan. I'm gonna do the rest of it now. Now I'm gonna take 1 sprinkle and put it in the middle of each dough. So I'm just gonna take 1 sprinkle and then just put it on top in the middle of the dough, on each of them. So each a different color. For the last one, I just added 3 because I wanted to. You can add as many as you want. Now I'm just gonna bake it for 20 minutes. Now let's go bake it. I'm gonna put my pan inside. It's gonna be hot, so ask for your parents' help. So now I'm just gonna close it. So what I just did is I put my pan with my dough and sprinkles into the oven. And then I closed it. I'll see you after 20 minutes. Now the cookies have baked for 20 minutes. I've let it cool a little bit. Now it should be a little brown on the bottom and hard. Right around it, it should be like dough. But inside it should be a little soft and hard, but it'll still be yummy. So as you see, the cookies should be a little brown on the bottom and a little hard, but not too hard. And then around it, it should be like dough. But in the inside, it will be like a nice eating doughy and hard consistency. Just like the bottom, it will be inside. But the outside, it's dough. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below if you liked how we made this together. And also, I'm going to show you how I think it tastes. For me, it tastes nice. Inside, it feels a little crunchy. And on the outside, it's nice and soft. See you next time.